Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, how are you? Today I will check for this AC. So this one is filter also blockage. So I will check this AC. This one also block from roof. So I will, before this one is off pressure switch. So now I will press the switch, so it will AC will be work. And I will check this one gas also. The gas is no need. Gas is okay. You see, I will putting this gauge. Gas level is okay. Before servicing you will switch a breaker off. So after do this service, so now it will be work. So need more informative videos, so like my channel and subscribe, share. Okay.